Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can analyze wholesale deals within Arbitrage Hero application. You can get your free account of Arbitrage Hero application by clicking the link in the description. Now let's see how you can find profitable wholesale deals using Arbitrage Hero. Once you have logged in into the application, you need to go to Wholesale and then select Wholesale Suppliers. So first step which you need to do is you need to add your supplier to the list here. Let's add some test supplier. Once you have added your supplier, you will see three actions which you can do with that supplier. You can edit the supplier, you can delete that supplier, and you can upload price lists to analyze the products from that supplier. So let's click on upload the list, and you can drag and drop files here, or you can click in this area and then pick your price list. Once you have selected your file, you should click Upload File button here. And on the next screen you will see a pop-up which, depending on your file, will have different options here. Because I am uploading Excel spreadsheet file which contains multiple tabs in it, I can pick which tabs I want to process. So for example, I want to have Health Warehouse A, Health Warehouse B, Health Warehouse C, and I can disable everything else. Next thing what you need to do, you need to pick fields which you want to process. For example, for product title, I'm going to select product title. For product ID, I'm going to select EAN. For the product ID type, I'm going to select EAN. For the price, I'm going to select standard price, and you can see that our prices don't include VAT, so I am leaving VAT not included field unchanged. And that's it. You can add other fields like brand if you want to add them into the database, but you don't have to do that. And the units field is sometimes very important, because when supplier provides you with the boxes of multiple products in one box, then you need to be able to identify the exact price for that item. So in my case, I know that my spreadsheet has the column with units for that particular product, and I can match that column to units number here. Once you have done it, you can click Process Products, and this is how you add your products for analysis here. Once you have added your products, the application will pick them up and will start analyzing them. And to see your products, how they have been analyzed, you go to Wholesale, Analyze Products, you select your supplier, then you click Update, and you will see a list of products which you have uploaded and which have been analyzed for you, so you can now start picking profitable products from your wholesaler. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.